I'm Jen.
I'm Michelle.
And
This is not happening. But I think we should film anyway and see what happens. Okay. So, what do we, I didn't mean to do that like that. That's just the way I roll.
That's just
Pushes
the
me
way.
Every last word,
Every single thing you say pushes me away.
She's got the whole world in her. I love it.
Boo.
No! Oh, no. No, 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 no. Yes.
No, boo.
Yes. No. Hey, this is our class.
Woo! We're over.
Class of 08,
Here
baby. We're in there somewhere. Ew, I don't know. Wait, let's see what we got here. Oh. None of them are sure. A little bit longer, and I'll be fine. How about look me in the eyes? Tell me that you love me. Everything's alright when you're right here by my side. No.
Gotta do that one.
Oh no, that's a different one. Which one?
Oh,
this
that
one?
Yeah.
Baby,
I will wait
for you, 'cause I don't know what else I can do. Don't tell me I ran out. Wait, we gotta do this one again. Spinning round, there's no sign of slowing down, so won't you take a breath? Just take a breath. This is a good one. Slipping into the lava, and I'm trying to keep from going Oops. Oops. I'm burning up. Oh, my keys came. For you, baby.
I knocked her keys down. My bad.
Where is it? There it is. Wait.
Pushing me away.
Every last word, every single thing you say, pushing me away.
Oh,
No, we sang the wrong verse. I sang the wrong verse too. So come and say it to my face, pushing me away. Push, push, pushing me away. Been to the year 3000. Not much has changed, but they lived underwater. And your great, great, great granddaughter. You're gonna freak them out, Jen. He loves me. How do I know? He loves to tell you I was gonna sing the wrong verse. Nice. Oh. Want you to know that I've decided to let you go. Some days I make it grow. Good stuff. But then there's nights that never end. When I asked you said I'm unaware that I'm a nuisance. There's never wasted time. Whoa.
Oh, we did that already.
We did.
Oh man, let's do.
That was a good song.
That's like the worst version I got.
Walking on air. That's the only part I know.
Oh.
Do Kelsey.
Now
Swim the ocean for you. The ocean for you. Whoa, 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 Kelsey. Oh, that's good stuff. That's good stuff.
I think we're good. Oh.
Okay.